Whoa, hey, I'm Lawrence Mack, and this is my Library 240 Week 13 video. I've chosen to do Tech Time. What is Tech Time, you ask? Well, Tech Time is where I take a piece of tech and we briefly go over what it is, what it does, and some of its standard specifications. So let's begin. For this week, we are going to be looking at video cards. Because everybody loves video cards. Yes, even you. Before we go further, I'm highly advised against handling PC components in such a manner because one static discharge from my finger could turn this whole video card into a piece of useless junk. But since this is already a piece of useless junk, I figure it's safe for me to do. Okay, so first you might ask, what is a video card? Video card, or commonly known as a graphics card, display adapter, and so on and so forth, is a PC component which helps your computer with video output. The advantages of having a video card include better 2D, 3D graphics performance, most notably in applications like PC games, and better video output. So, this is the Nvidia GeForce GTX460. It is part of a series of graphics cards that was released in 2010 by Nvidia, and this is one of the higher end models. So let's take a look at what's around. Okay. At the bottom here is the PCI Express slot. Motherboards with this corresponding slot will be able to use this card. Once you plug it in, it serves as a way for the card to communicate with the motherboard and also as a source of power. This is compatible with PCIe X16, PCIe 2.0, and the PCIe 3.0 standards. Here we have the display ports for the graphics card. We have two DVI display ports and an HDMI port. The HDMI port is very useful because it can display both. It can output both video and audio. There are two DVI display ports here because if you wanted to, you could use the option of outputting your video to two separate monitors, which is pretty cool. And over here we have the exhaust vent. This is the cooling shroud. It's a large plastic shell designed to direct the airflow. Here is the intake fan. So the air gets sucked in here, travels along the case, and is expelled through the exhaust vent. This is quite a power-hungry card, and with lots of power comes lots of heat. And heat is the major killer of PC components, so it's important that this card is well ventilated. And over here on this side, we have two 6-pin power converters. And what they do is they provide extra power through cables like this. This is a 6-pin to 4-pin connector. So what you do is you plug the corresponding end into here, and here you plug into an available adapter on your power supply. And as you can see, this is the back of the card. It's basically one big circuit board. And another component you might use with this, if you have an older monitor, is this, a DVI to VGA power adapter. What this does is, if you do not have a monitor which supports a DVI or an HDMI display, you can use this to connect it, and this will serve as a VGA output. Handy. And that's it for graphics card. I'm Lawrence Mack. This has been Tech Time, and I am signing off.